Introducing the Roidme F8 Storm Cordless Vacuum, the world's first intelligent high-performance vacuum cleaner. With a variety of nozzles to adapt to any carpet or floor, the F8 uses powerful suction technology powered by a 100,000 RPM digital motor to get rid of all that excess dirt and dust cluttering up your home. With our modularized design, you can now easily switch between multiple brush heads to meet all your cleaning needs. Using the specially designed crevice tool and soft dusting brush, the F8 can deal with any couch, any situation, at any time. With 3 power modes, the F8 can clean up to 55 minutes and as much as 4,000 square feet without charging, with enough operating power to clean all around your home. With Bluetooth technology, you can connect the F8 to your smartphone, check battery usage, filter capacity, and surprisingly even know how many calories you've burned off working out on the Roidme. The one-touch separated dust cup design allows you to empty the dust easily and quickly with no need to touch the dirt. We all like a relaxing home life, but life's full of surprises. With the help of the Roidme F8, problems like these are quickly sucked away. Because your future cordless vacuum cleaner uses powerful suction technology to clean your home super efficiently, giving you and your family a happy, clean home. Roidme is an important member of the world-famous Xiaomi invested ecosystem chain, dedicated to providing cost-effective, well-designed products. Our last product was a very widely praised, crowd-funded Roidme car charger. It was a hit. Similar cordless vacuums cost $500 or higher, but through a super integrated design and efficient supply chain management, we've been able to halve that price. We've successfully completed crowdfunding in China. We are now officially releasing our newest version to the international community. Thank you for your support.